got a song filled with shit for the strong-willed. When the world gives you a raw deal, set you off till you scream, piss off, screw you when it talks to you like you don't belong or tells you you're in the wrong field. Knock, knock, let the devil in. Shotgun, pip, pip, pellets in the felt bin. Cock, fuck around and catch a hot one. It's evident I'm not done. Bit venomous, the thoughts spun like a web and you're discarding them. Wicked, I get all high when I think I smell the scent of elephant manure. Hell, I make a lure, screw it, to hell with it. I went through hell with accelerants and blew up myself again. Volkswagen, tailspin, bucket matches my pale skin. Held again, still feel like a hubcap and mud flat beat strangler attack. So this ain't gonna feel like a love tap. Eat painkiller pills, fuck a blood track like what the names of the bill. Then a cup patch through the car in the reverse of the Indian nut crash in India. The back that it just mangled, steal my Mustang. Ate shit till I can't taste it. Chased it with straight liquor, then bathed in it, then drank till I faint and awake with a headache. And I take anything in rectangular shape, then I wait to face the demons I'm bonded to, cause they're chasing me, but I'm part of you, so escaping me is impossible. I latch on to you like a knock, knock, let the devil in. Shotgun, pip, pip, pellets in the felt bin. Cock, fuck around and catch a hot one. It's evident I'm not done. Bit venomous, the thoughts spun like a web and you're discarding them. I said knock, knock, let the devil in. Shotgun, pip, pip, pellets in the felt bin. Cock, fuck around and catch a hot one. It's evident I'm not done. Bit venomous, the thoughts spun like a web and you're discarding them. I said knock, knock, let the devil in. Alien, get alien, phone home. Ain't no telling when the chokehold on this game will end. I'm loco, became a symbiote, so my fangs are in your throat. Oh, you're spitting with my Jeep Wrangler, the grill with the front smash, much as my rear fender assassin. Swing be a combination of an actual kamikaze and Gandhi. Translation, I will probably kill us both when I end up back in India. You ain't gonna be able to tell what the fuck's that shit till I can't taste it. Chased it with straight liquor, then bathed in it, then drank till I faint and awake with a headache. And I take anything in rectangular shape, then I wait to face the demons I'm bonded to, cause they're chasing me, but I'm part of you, so escaping me is impossible. I latch on to you like a Dr. Dre said hell yeah, and I got a stamp like a postcard, word the mailman. And I know they're gonna hate, but I don't care. I barely can wait to hit him with the snare in the face, where in the face this fucking world better prepare to get laced. Because knock, knock, let the devil in. Shotgun, pip, pip, pellets in the felt bin. Cock, fuck around and catch a hot one. It's evident I'm not done. Bit venomous, the thoughts spun like a web and you're discarding them. I said knock, knock, let the devil in. Shotgun, pip, pip, pellets in the felt bin. Cock, fuck around and catch a hot one. It's evident I'm not done. Bit venomous, the thoughts spun like a web and you're discarding them.